Do you want to know how to change background photos in Instagram? Well, then you have come to the right video because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so don't make any mistake in this process. Now open up the Instagram app and here let's click on the messenger icon at the top right corner, and after that you should be able to see all the conversations you have on. Now click on the Instagram chat you have with your friends that you want to change the background photos to. For example, I want to change the background photos on this one. So what you're going to do is to click on the friend's name at the top left part of the chat, and now just changing the background photo on Instagram chat will depend on the theme of your chat. Basically, you won't be able to change the background photos from your camera roll or something like that. So just click on theme right here and you should be able to see many options for your chat theme, and that will also be change your background photos within your chat. For example, I want to change it to this one right here like that, and you can see it has changed the background photos within your chat as you can see. And you can go back and set a theme. You can choose a specific one if you want to change the background photos. Hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions or comment about the topic we covered today, we'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and we hope you have a fantastic day.